Very good morning and welcome to all our participants. Thank you for joining interactive live class. So I am starting with the some module here. Today topics which to be covered here. Import math. What is import? Import is a module. Import is a keyword, and all these module I am going to how to use of these module. I am starting with the math module. So math module import time which will display the time, import calendar which you will able to view the calendar, import random function can be used, and import string which string all function will be used, and import OS means that is a operating system which you will be able to use. Last not least, it is a quiz. It is a very interesting, you will enjoy in it. So let's begin with the so first Python date and time. What is Python date and time? In a Python you can display date and time function. So I am starting with the Python time. So time, what does time module? Python time module provide us with the various functions to include. You can include with the import function time on our application through the Python scripting. So first time will display time dot sleep that will show the sleep time of your system. All these functions we are time dot local time. See, I am showing you practical. So first what you need to do, yes Betty, open your screen. Surveys, open your screen with the script mode.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down import. First I am explaining here maths. Maths is a module. What it is? See, import is a keyword, maths is a module. From Python library I am calling here. See, in your mobile, from Play Store you can download different software so that you can enjoy in your mobile phone. Similarly, in your Python programming, you can call all these modules from a Python library. All these modules can be called from a Python library, right? And so I am importing import maths. Don't write a S, only write a math. So this is I have imported. I have called in my scripting. So here I am using maths dot pi. What is pi? This is a pi will be display pi. So this the pi value automatically it will display, and write down bache surveys, do it. Good morning Ramandeep. Yes bache, surveys, do it bache. Maths dot first import a maths, write down maths
I'm
dot
done.
pi. Are you able to do?
Yes, ma'am. होगा.
Yes, do it. And another mathematical constant module is a e is a module that is a constant means fixed. It is called Euler's numbers. It's base of the natural logarithm. What's its? I'm using maths dot e. See, try this. So this is a logarithm, natural numbers logarithm. It will display automatically. So try this. Are you able to view my screen? Yes बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
So logarithm also you can write maths dot log. Log in bracket you have to write a 10. So this is a logarithm. Automatically it will display the log. And also there is a log 10. Log 10. 10 is also, this is a function I am using here. See, this will display the log 10. So these, there are so many functions you can use in a mathematical. Maths is a module. See, what is module means? It is a just like a dictionary of maths which you can use all the function inside it. So before using it, you need to import in your program. Got it? You can share your screen too, bache. I have made a sharing. Can you share your screen? Surveys.
Yes, ma'am.
Raman bache, open your Python screen and try these all.
Ma'am, it's showing you cannot participate or share your screen
Yes bache.
while the other person is sharing.
Little bit
मैम ये
loudly.
नहीं करने दे रहा.
Yes. Are you able to do this?
मैम यस मैम मेरा हो गया है मैम ये पाइथन स्क्रीन में
Can
लेकिन
you
ये
share
दिखाने नहीं
your
दे रहा.
screen?
नो मैम.
You can't share your screen. Raman,
Yes, ma'am.
are you doing?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Nothing is a
Yes bache. Open your video. Please turn on your video bache. Raman, have you opened Python screen? Service, you have done this? Service, have you done bache? Now next point, what is our next point? That is a next point is a time. So let's start with the time. So I am importing here. So I am importing here. Import time. So time is a module. So you can write, Ramandeep, please do bache, import time.
मैम कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मैम ये क्या है.
Okay bache, you have joined late na, I am explaining. See, what is import? Import is a keyword. Import क्या है हमारा? Keyword है. So import mass, मैंने पहले क्या किया? What I have done? mass को कॉल किया. mass क्या है हमारा? मॉड्यूल है. पाइथन लाइब्रेरी से हमने mass मॉड्यूल को कॉल किया अपने प्रोग्राम में. ठीक है? So that इसके
Yes.
all member function we can use in our program. Right? मैथ्स क्या है?
Yes.
ऑल दीज मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन कैन बी यूज बाय कॉलिंग दिस मैथ्स मॉड्यूल. मैथ्स क्या है? एक टाइप का मॉड्यूल है. मॉड्यूल मीन्स पैकेज है.
Module.
जैसे आप क्या करते हैं, मोबाइल फोन में आप क्या करते हैं, कोई भी पैकेज, कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर को आपको यूज करना है, इंजॉय करना है. फर्स्ट व्हाट यू डू, फ्रॉम प्ले स्टोर यू डाउनलोड. प्ले स्टोर से क्या करते हैं आप? डाउनलोड करते हैं, राइट? सो
Yes.
डाउनलोड करके यू कैन यूज. सिमिलरली हमें अपने प्रोग्राम में इसके फंक्शंस यूज करना है. वी हैव टू यूज फंक्शन, मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन. सो बिफोर यूजिंग ऑल दीज फंक्शन वी नीड टू इंपोर्ट मैथ्स. गॉट इट? गॉट इट बच्चे? रमनदीप? यस. Unmute yourself and reply. So maths is a module. So I am writing here in a Python interactive mode maths.py. Pi means this is a pi. From maths module I am using a pi function. So when I write maths.py it will display the value automatically. Got it? Sarvesh?
Yes, ma'am.
So maths module is clear बच्चे? Sarvesh clear?
यस मैम. मैम एक और बता दो बस थोड़ा सा. और स्क्रीन शेयर अभी भी नहीं हो रहा.
So you have done this maths.py.
मैम यस इशारा कर
Maths.py
रहे
you
लॉग
have done.
टेन.
Yes. Okay. So maths, from maths module I am using a this maths.log I have done. Now I am importing a time. What is time? Time is a function. Time is a function. In this I am using. So time I have imported, I have called in a Python interactive mode. Time को मैंने call कर दिया. Then time dot c time. What I am using? Time dot c time. C time is a function. This will display the current time. Try this बच्चे. Try this. Then another function with the time. I have imported a time. Time हमारा क्या है? This is a module. Time module. Got it? Sarvesh?
यस मैम हो गया.
हाँ.
ट्यूसडे
This is
अगस्त
C
18.
time means it will display current time. See, this is a Tuesday, August 18. This is the time also showing, and this is the year it is showing. Got it?
यस.
Now next I am using. Next is the local time. What I am using? Local time. So what is local time? It will display the same local time of the. So Ramandeep have a problem. I think he has left. Principal ma'am also joining, but connect नहीं हो पाया मैम का भी.
आई एम डन.
Yes बच्चे. Have you done this?
लोकल टाइम हो गया. यस मैम.
Local time also done. Current time you have done.
यस.
Yes. Let Ramandeep complete it. If session will be ended, you have to join again from the same. Okay बच्चे. If session will be ended, join again from the same. Yes, have you completed all these? Surveys done बच्चे? Raman,
मैम यस मैम मेरा हो
any
गया।
internet issue? Might be you have an internet issue. Okay, and, don't worry, I am recording this, you can view. So here, all try all these first. Ramandeep, do it bete. Have you done? Simple one line command, do it fast. One line command, बच्चे, do it fast. Yes, do it so that I'll start another topic. Now I am sharing program. See here. Are you able to view my screen? Yes, बच्चे. See, you can write a script mode also. You can write it in a script mode. See here, I have imported a date and time. See, import date and time. Date and time. Previously, I have imported just only time. It was showing date, time, year, everything. So now I have imported a date and time. Date and date time function. This is a module. From this, I am using a now. See how to use simply. Print date time. What is date time? Date time is this is a module name dot date time dot now. So date time, this from this module, after dot notation, what I am using? Date time dot now. I am using date time dot now function. What does it when I execute this function? See बच्चे, you can view the screen. Are you able
यस
to
मैम।
view? Yes. This is a by using another script mode. See, this is a year it is showing first YYMMDD. So this is a year is showing, then month, then date. This is the time 11:40 and this. See the this is the
स्क्रिप्ट मोड में
address.
क्या कमांड देना?
Yes, बच्चे. Have you
स्क्रिप्ट
done?
मोड में क्या कमांड देना?
Speak loudly.
मैम स्क्रिप्ट मोड में क्या कमांड देना?
So I am showing. See, simple one line command. This is a command line. Import date time. Write down fast. Import date time. Import date time.
डेट टाइम। मम्मी हैशटैग डालना जरूरी है?
Yes.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, बच्चे.
मम्मी हैशटैग रिटर्न द करंट डेट टाइम
This is
ऑब्जेक्ट में लिखना जरूरी है?
the comment line, बच्चे. Single line comment. Very good morning, ma'am. Yes, बच्चे. This is the comment line which we can give in a single line comment. See, single line command. I am giving a first. What is I am importing? Date time. So date time means this is a module which you are downloading from your Play Store. Just any app. Similarly, you can calling from Python library. This is a date and time. And what I am using, only single line command, date dot date time. So this is a module name. From this module I am using date time dot now. What it is showing? It will show YYMMDD. Complete date and time also it will show. Have you done बच्चे? Sarvesh done?
Yes, ma'am. Shall I run the module?
Okay, you have run the module. Okay. In last you will share your screen. I have given the permission. Then I am starting with the another. So next topic, calendar. See, you can create your own calendar. You can import a calendar. This is the topic. So before starting calendar, so first I'll start the Python screen. So are you able to view my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see,
Yes, ma'am.
this two line I have written a command line that you know, single line comment I have written. You can write a multi-line comment also. See, first import calendar. What is calendar? Calendar is a module. Previously we have imported a time, we have imported a date, we have imported that date and time module. Similarly, you can import this in a import calendar. Calendar is a module. From Python library, we are calling in your program. So this is a variable that you know, any variable. I have written a year, you can write a y, any variable a, b, c, x, y, z. This is the variable, nothing else. You can write your variable name. Equal is a assignment operator. Int. What is the use of int, Sarvesh? Why I have written int here?
And because the year will be in the numeric value, that's why.
Numeric value, right. Directly if I am writing with the input, so that will be string.
String type.
From string to I want to convert into a number, so I need a int. This is a typecasting, right? So here another month is a variable. What is month? Month is a variable. Equal is a assignment operator. Then int. This is another casting. I am using year and month. These two variables I am using. So now print calendar dot month. See, calendar is a module. What is calendar? This is a module I am using here. Print is a functions which is used to printing anything. So calendar from calendar I am using a month after dot notation. See, calendar dot month. Which month? Which will get here? Year and month. Year which you will input and month which you will input. See, I am running this program. So first I'll clear this screen. So are you able to view my screen, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, I am inputting this line. First line year I am getting here. Here I'll write just the 2020. So I am put a enter. Then this 8 month I am inputting. See, this is the calendar which is showing this month. Any month you can display here. Any month, any year, previous year, current year, and last year, any month you can display the calendar. See, in a few line only. See, these are a remark line, comment line. These are not executable. This is a importing only 2 line, 3 line code. It is displaying calendar. It is a beauty of Python. In a few lines of code, you can make your program. So I am showing again whole year calendar. Side by side you try bache. Only 2 line
Yes,
codes
yes.
are these. Then in a last you will share your screen. See here. First what I am doing here, import calendar. This is a 1 line. Previous program also I have done, and this I am getting a year. by using this only 3-line code, see, it will display the full year calendar. See, what is year? Year is a variable. Previous program also we have used int input, enter the year. Here I am getting a, I have to input a year. Now s equal calendar. What is calendar? This from this module dot notation PRCL. This keyword you have to write. This is a function or year which I am getting from here. So now I'll run this program. See, so any year you can write. This is I am inputting 2021. Are you able to view my screen? See, this is the program and this I am running this. Oh, I have given space. So I am running again this. Are you able to view my screen? See, you can see the full year calendar in a few line code. See, this I have written on 2021. This is the year I have inputted. See, next year full calendar will be displayed. So what I have written? Few line, only 2 lines code. So 2-line code I have written. So you can view the full year calendar in this. Bache, try and show me fast. Ramandeep, are you getting bache? Is there or not? Does he have a network problem? Yes, bache.
Ma'am, yes.
Done? Any doubt in this? Just 2-line code. See, import calendar. This you are getting a value of year, and this you are showing s equal calendar. Calendar is a module dot prcal precal. This is a function, and year which I am getting, which whatever you will input a year 2000, 2021, any year, it will display the full year of calendar. Raman, are you getting bache? Ramandeep?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting.
Okay, bache. Do it fast. Yeah, last you will share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Done this?
Ma'am, to print a month, ma'am, what we have to write in print? Print is equals to ma'am क्या लिखना है ma'am उससे आगे?
This line, this will display the full year calendar.
मैम अगर एक मंथ लिखना है तो मैम उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसके लिए
Your voice is so low,
प्रिंट के
bache.
आगे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा मैम प्रिंट?
Your voice is low. Speak loudly.
Ma'am,
Yes,
to
bache.
print a calendar of 1 month only, ma'am, what we have to write
One
in print?
month in a previous, just previous program I have shown to you, na, that will display the only 1 month, and this is a full month. PRCal will display the full year calendar. S is a variable. What is S? S is a nothing. It is a variable A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Anything you can write here after equal. This is a assignment operator. Calendar is a module which I have called here, right? Dot notation PRCal. PRCal, that is a function to display the full year calendar, year which I am getting here. Got it? Yes, which is getting? Ramandeep?
Ma'am, yes, I'm getting.
Okay, I am moving to the next. So what is our next topic? That is, we have already covered mass, time, calendar. We have now is a random. You know what is random? Have you ever played the dice? बच्चे, हैव यू एवर प्ले द डाइस? आपने लूडो
ma'am.
खेला हुआ है? Just you can make your program here. You can make your program by using random function. I am quickly sharing the screen of that. So are you able to view my screen?
Yes.
So this is the program. The role underscore again can be, this is comment line, you know, multi-line comments we can use with the triple quotation. Okay, program rolling the dice. Okay, so this is a program. If you press Y, small y or capital Y, so you will be able to continue. See here, this previously I have imported a calendar. Now I am importing a random. What is random? This is a module. I already explained, whatever you are using any app from your mobile phone, you download it. Similarly, whenever you want to any module in your Python programming, you need to call it. So what does import function? We are calling this module in my program, right? So minimum value I have given a 1, maximum value I have given a 6. You have seen the minimum value 1 in a dice and maximum value is a 6 in a dice. Got it? So these min and max, two variables, which is I am fixing the value 1 and 6. So here roll underscore again. What is roll underscore again? This is the variable nothing, which I am assigning a y. This is for repeat number of times. So roll underscore again equal y. I have assigned the y. This is a fixed value I have assigned to the roll underscore again. This is a variable nothing. Now I am using while. What is the use of while loop? Surveys. बच्चे, what is the use of while loop? It
To repeat the number of
number
times.
of time, right? So if condition is correct, it repeat number of times. So while roll underscore again equal small y, I have given the choice here. अगर हम roll underscore again में equal small y प्रेस करते हैं कीबोर्ड से और roll underscore again के equal capital Y, you can input a small y as well as capital Y. This is the choice. कुछ भी अगर y small y प्रेस करेंगे capital Y तो it will repeat again. You can play again. So here print rolling the dice. This, what does print command? Print method what does? Whatever we are writing in a double quotation, that will display. So again print values are, this is also printing a message. And print random dot randint. Randint from random is a module, from randint this is a integer value it takes, it is a member of random module. Got it? What I am randint? Each and every time whenever you play, different value will be displayed. This is a minimum value it is printing or maximum value. Again I have given random dot randint, minimum value and maximum value. These variable I have already assigned the fixed value 1 and 6. So this line, what this line is doing here, roll underscore again equal input. What I am inputting? Small y or capital Y. If I input, it will repeat again. If I'll press any other key, that will be exit. So I am running this program. So first I need to close this. So see बच्चे, see once it is played, 1 minimum value it is showing 1, maximum value it is showing 3. If I press Y, see, are you able to view my screen? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, once it is placed, I have pressed here Y. Now I am pressing again. So here minimum value it is showing, and another value. See. So each and every time when you play with it, it will display the different value. See. Now 3 3. So if I press any other key, and so it will exit. See the,
Ma'am,
yes bache.
ma'am, there are two dices, ma'am. Ma'am, one is small y and another is big capital Y.
You can press any one. It will accept for repeating. We have given the condition here. Now what is the use of two time equal operator? It check the equality. Whatever you are inputting a small y or capital Y.
Ma'am, yes.
So that will compare with the both. That will compare with the both. See here. So it will compare with the equal. See, if you are writing a equal 10, b equal 10, you are assigning both the equal operator, a equal b. What does it? If the both value will be equal, then it will display true, otherwise it will display false. Similarly, here what it is doing, it is we are using the character. So character, whatever you are inputting here, it will check only these two characters, small and capital. So it will continue. What does while loop? While loop check the condition first. If condition is correct, it repeat. Otherwise, it will exit. See, I have pressed a N. It is a exiting. Got it? So it check the correct condition. If correct given condition is a correct, then it will repeat number of times. Otherwise, it will exit from a loop. Got it, bache? Yes, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if this time will only 6 minutes, you can join again, bache. There are so many things. I have made a quiz. You will really enjoy. So many other programs are also there. Rejoin from a same ID. Okay. Okay, bache. Sarvesh, Raman.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I am starting with the this we have done. We have already covered the import match time calendar random. Now I am using with the string. So what is a string? This calendar
Excuse me, ma'am.
random we have done. Yes बच्चे.
मैम ये जो अभी आपने ये वाला कराया था जैसे साइज वाला ये यहाँ पे लिखना है मतलब अपने प्रोग्राम में
Program this takes a time you can write. Otherwise recording I am sending to you. Don't worry. You can again practice at home. Otherwise you do now. I am explaining a string one. Okay. Clear बच्चे? Yes. Now I am using a Python screen. Open a interactive live practical you will do. So open side by side interactive mode. First, here I am using a string. What is a string? String is a sequence of character. Sequence of character. If I am talking about the Ramandeep Singh. What is Ramandeep Singh? This is a combination of the all the character including space. So it what how it will display from the sequence of character. First R in a zeroth position, followed by the another character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. How many characters in your name? So that display with the beginning with the 0 until the last value. How many characters? Also space also counted in it. So right, and I am importing here import string. Do it do with me, bache. Oh, I have written a wrong. So what? Import string. See, I have imported a string. Now what I am doing, string dot. So I am using a string dot ASCII. What is ASCII?
ESCII.
ASCII. What is ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So I am displaying here ASCII letters. See here, all the small letter A to Z. What is the value of ASCII code of small a? Yes, can you tell me? What is
65.
the ASCII code of small a?
65.
65, bete, that is a capital A.
Capital.
Capital A
Small.
मैम
65, B
95
66,
96
96.
90.
yes
97 बच्चे 97 sorry. Small a 97, capital A 65. These all
65.
are ASCII values. If I am, these all will be display letters. If I am talking about the ASCII digits, what it will display? Number 0 to, so it digit, string dot digit. I have written wrong. String dot digits. So see here, string dot digits will display 0 to 9 numbers. These are numbers which is used in from keyboard 0 to 9, right? And if you
मैम
are to
इंटरैक्टिव मोड
display,
दिख नहीं रहा.
yes बच्चे,
मैम इंटरैक्टिव मोड दिख नहीं रहा. स्क्रिप्ट मोड ऑन है अभी तक.
it is not showing.
नो मैम.
Oh, yes बच्चे, yes, are you able to view here? I have written a
Yes.
import string. So I am importing string. A string is a module. String module I am using here. In this string dot ASCII. What is ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Underscore letters means all ASCII letters will be displayed here. See, A to Z small. So which is the beginning numbers of ASCII code of small a is a 97. So similarly, when we are talking about the capital A, what is the value of ASCII code of capital A? 65. Got it? You have to count all 26 characters here. See. So now I am using only capital upper. I am writing string dot ASCII uppercase. What it will display? Only capital alphabets will be displayed. See. Are you able to view my screen? Yes, Mr. Raman, try this. Bachche, try this. Have you tried this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, punctuation also you can display. Okay. So, let's start with the another string we have done. Now, another is the operating system. What is operating system? So operating system means whatever you are using, just like you are creating a folder, you are moving a folder. Currently, you are displaying with the which folder. So everything you can do with the OS. What is OS? OS is a operating system. So I am starting with the Python screen. बच्चे open a Python shell, also interactive mode. Yes बच्चे,
ओपन है.
done. So here I am using import OS. What is OS? OS is an operating system. I have imported a OS is a module operating system module. I have imported in my Python script interactive mode. So here I am using OS dot. OS means this module. From this module I am using a get. You can write so many functions are there. Get CWD. What is CWD? Current working directory, which I am using here. See, what is OS is a module. Are you able to view बच्चे? Are you
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to view my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So OS dot after dot notation get CWD. What is CWD? Current working directory. See, built-in function get. See, built-in whatever directory which is the function we are using, you can display the current directory. Also, you can write OS dot list dir. So all the list dir. So what it will display? It will display the all the directory. So it is not showing here because I have new Python I have installed here. That's why it is not showing built-in function list directory. So no need to import, directly you can write. See, again I am sharing screen. That's why it is not showing. No need to import. So directly OS dot list dir. What is the problem? Yes बच्चे. So you can use operating system and print here, print also. Are you able to view my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See here, I am using print OS dot name. So what it will print? It will print the NT window, and it is printing a name of the window NT. This is my window which is a printing. Do try this. Import first, import OS, print OS dot name. In your system which window you are using, that will display. Try this fast बच्चे.
मैम NT.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay बच्चे.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
uh, see, we have already done maths, time, calendar, random, string, OS. Now this is the time of quiz. So you will really enjoy the quiz. Now type in your screen Kahoot quiz. Write down बच्चे. यस यस बच्चे,
क्या लिखना है?
टाइप Kahoot, which is Raman. Raman has left again.
क्रोम पे लिखना है ये?
हाँ, गूगल क्रोम में आप टाइप करो, गूगल क्रोम में टाइप करो आप Kahoot.
क्या? Kahoot.
Kahoot
कर दिया।
कर दिया। रमन बच्चे,
यस मैम।
टाइप इन a Google Chrome, write Kahoot. बच्चे डू फास्ट। वहां पर आपको सिलेक्ट करना है प्ले Kahoot, एंटर गेम पिन हियर। सर्वेश
मैम ये
स्क्रॉल
स्किप
करो,
कर
थोड़ा
दिया
सा नीचे आएगा प्ले Kahoot,
मैंने।
एंटर गेम पिन हियर।
गेम पिन क्या है?
गेम पिन आई विल गिव यू। ओके,
ओके।
yes बच्चे, आई एम गिविंग यू पिन, you have to input over there.
मैम
yes
मैम क्या सर्च करना है मैम गूगल क्रोम में? मैम समझ नहीं आया।
Kahoot, Kahoot, ये स्पेलिंग देखो Kahoot, सर्च करो।
Kahoot सर्च करके सेकंड ऑप्शन आएगा kahoot.it, उस पर क्लिक कर दिया। मैम निकनेम क्या डालना है? कुछ भी?
यस, गेम पिन, प्ले Kahoot, एंटर गेम पिन हियर। ये
सर्वेश
वाला पिन
पांडे।
आपको डालना है, ये वाला 553134। दिस गेम पिन you have to input over there. Sarvesh has joined. Let Ramandeep enter. Raman, do it fast बेटे। Have you search? You can play in mobile also. In a mobile, write a Kahoot. Raman, बच्चे, are you able to?
मैम क्या स्पेलिंग है मैम कहूट की? मैम
Kahoot, टाइप किया।
स्पेलिंग
मैम
क्या है?
इसको एक बार KAHOOT।
KAHOOT, Kahoot। स्क्रीन पे देखो ना बच्चे, स्क्रीन पे सी ना स्क्रीन। फिर आपको ये प्ले Kahoot, एंटर अ गेम पिन लिखा हुआ आएगा, उसमें क्लिक करना है। प्ले Kahoot,
यस आ गया।
एंटर अ गेम पिन।
यस आ गया।
प्ले Kahoot, एंटर अ गेम पिन किया बच्चे?
यस मैम कर दिया।
हाँ, ये वाला पिन इनपुट करो 553134।
यस हो गया। बात पूरी कम।
फिर एंटर लिखा होगा, उसको क्लिक करो। ये नंबर डाल के एंटर क्लिक करो।
यस कर दिया।
डन। नहीं
मैम
आया आपका
निकनेम
अभी?
आया।
गेम पिन डाल के ये पिन डालना है, ओनली 553134।
मैम निकनेम लिखा हुआ आ गया।
हाँ तो कुछ भी डाल देना, जल्दी कर, कुछ भी अपना नाम डाल दे, रमनदीप से।
यस बच्चे, good good good, you have joined. Okay, now I am starting, be ready. Okay, only 20 seconds of each questions.
ओके।
This is the question. Now you have to click which is the correct answer.
मैम ये क्या है?
Yes, correct answer को क्लिक करना है आपने। डन
मैम यहाँ पे तो कुछ और ही आ रहा है।
डन।
मैम यहाँ पे तो पैटर्न बने हुए आ रहे हैं।
मैम यहाँ पे तो मैम ऐसे यही लिखा आ रहा है, पता नहीं, कोई शेप बनी हुई है और कुछ नहीं।
आपका नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ?
मैम
मैम नहीं
शेप भी
मैम
बनी
हुआ
हुई आ
था,
रही है।
मैम बस शेप बनी हुई आ रही है, इसके अंदर कलर भरे हैं, मैं समझ नहीं आया क्या करना है।
अच्छा, खाली आपको टिक करना है कौन सा करेक्ट है। स्क्रीन पे देखो, स्क्रीन पे देखो आप आंसर। यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पे देखो ना, आप एक ही डिवाइस यूज कर रहे हो आप। मोबाइल में आप उसको यूज करो और लैपटॉप में देखो क्वेश्चंस। नहीं समझ आया?
मैम नो।
मैम समझ ही नहीं आया क्या करना। मैम हमने
खाली
गेम
स्क्रीन।
शुरू करी
अच्छा,
तो
मोबाइल, बच्चे
इसके अंदर
मोबाइल,
बस एक,
मोबाइल पे आप गेम प्ले करो, लैपटॉप पे आप देखो स्क्रीन पे ये।
अच्छा मोबाइल में करो।
हाँ, दोबारा से स्टार्ट करो।
हम कहाँ से करना है वापस से स्टार्ट, पीछे बैक?
बैक नहीं करना, मैं इसको क्लोज करूंगी देन दोबारा से स्टार्ट करती हूँ। एट स्टार्ट अगेन।
ओके।
आई एम स्टार्टिंग अगेन, चलो।
गेम पेन क्या है?
आई एम स्टार्टिंग अगेन बच्चे।
यस मैम, मैम व्हाट इज अ गेम पेन?
हाँ, गेम पिन अगेन इट विल कम। आई एम स्टार्टिंग
यस।
अगेन। हो गया रमन, क्लियर बच्चे? लैपटॉप में आप देखो क्वेश्चन, और उस पे मोबाइल पे आपने क्या करना है, क्लिक करना है। ठीक है, विच इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, क्लियर बच्चे? रमन?
यस ओके मैम।
ओके मैम।
ओके, आई एम स्टार्टिंग। So now this pin you have to input 398631
3986।
398631 1 है 7 है। ज्वाइन बच्चे फास्ट। Raman have joined. Sarvesh, do it fast, बच्चे. Raman, are you able to listen the sound of from here? Sound आ रहा है बच्चे? Raman,
Yes,
Ramandeep,
ma'am. Yes,
sound आ रहा
ma'am.
है? Yes?
आ रहा है.
Okay. Sarvesh, what is the problem बच्चे?
मैम वो थोड़ी देर के लिए नेट नेट चलना बंद हो गया था. अब हो गया, अब हो गया, अब हो गया. सर्वेश 2 1 एंटर. हम कर लिया.
ये गुरु क्या है?
मैम मैं ही हूँ मैम, फोन वाला.
Okay. Okay, now starting. See the question on screen, then you can press button on your from mobile. See, what is the top? See the question in a top. What is the use of for loop? Do it fast. Click fast.
मैम
गुरु किसका है?
करेक्ट
गुरु किसका
मैम,
है?
करेक्ट मैम, मेरे ही है.
अच्छा, सर्वेश का रॉन्ग आ रहा है. अरे सर्वेश 2 3. ओके, नेक्स्ट. What is the correct syntax of output hello world in a Python? Which is the correct? Do fast.
That's correct.
Now next. What do you create the variable? How do you create the variable num within the numeric value 500? Which is the correct answer? And Raman and Guru. Okay. Chalo next one. How do you convert variable a equal 200 with the numeric? A हमारा क्या है? String value है. Now we have to convert into numeric. Which is the correct? Very good. Very good.
मैम इसमें क्लिक ही नहीं हो रहा, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
अच्छा हो रहा है. चलो. See the next one. What is the output of print? ये करेंगे तो कौन सा आउटपुट होगा? ट्रू होगा, फॉल्स होगा, ये होगा, एरर होगा. Which will be the correct answer? Very good. Which of the following not complex number? कौन सा complex number नहीं है? Fast बच्चे fast. Very good. Next one, 7th question. What will be the output? See, which is the correct output of this? Do fast. Very good. Now, eighth question. What is the output? See, ये हमने लिखा है school equal this. What will be the output? 11 second. Only 20 second का है बेटे. 6. Do fast. Click on fast. Question number 9. कि अगर हेलो में से हम क्या करेंगे, हेलो लिखा हुआ है, कॉलन 2 लिखेंगे तो कौन सा आएगा? ये आएगा, हेलो आएगा, ये आएगा, कौन सा आएगा? वेरी गुड. यस. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस? अगर ग्रेड 1 में 80 है, उसमें 90 है, तो एवरेज निकालेंगे तो कितना होगा?
90 plus 80 क्या होता है कॉपी? 90 plus 80 170 170 by 2
फास्ट बच्चे, फास्ट. 7
20
सेकेंड.
by 2 क्या होता है?
5. जल्दी क्लिक करो, क्लिक करो, क्लिक करो. Now this is the last question, 11. What will be the output of the following str? अगर str वेलकम होगा तो प्रिंट str into 3 करेंगे तो क्या होगा? वेलकम प्रिंट करेगा, वेलकम 3 करेगा, 3 वेलकम करेगा, वेलकम 3 टाइम्स करेगा. What will be the answer? Very good. Okay, very good. सर्वेश है. Okay, good. दोनों का सेम है, गुरु और उसका. 8 11 आउट ऑफ 8. वेरी गुड. Yes, bete, how you have enjoyed?
I'm fun.
Fun? Really,
Yes.
you enjoyed?
Yes.
So all topic we have covered here. Quiz also. Thank you for joining, bache. Thanks a lot. For next session, we'll do more exciting. Okay? You'll really enjoy it. Have you enjoyed, Raman?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarvesh, have you enjoyed? Sarvesh is not there. Okay, उसका skip हो गया. Okay, बच्चे. Thank you. And
Thank
try
you, ma'am.
all these. I'll send you recording. Try all these practice at home. Okay, बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, बच्चे.
Thank you.